everyone, welcome back to a brand new video, and today we have a lot of information to get through. We're going to be talking about the Yeezy Slides, both the Soot and the Core, and of course we have the Yeezy Quantum restock that is upcoming. So of course, if you want to know how to cop yourself any of these pairs, today I'm going to be talking about all of that right now. Alright, so Friday and Saturday are the days that you need to get down if you're looking to buy any of these Yeezy silhouettes. We just came off the back of two pretty massive Yeezy releases. First one was the Israfil 350, and then of course the Azureth Yeezy 700 V3. So we are getting back-to-back Yeezys this month, and it's obviously moving into September. So the full Yeezy calendar has pretty much been leaked or announced. The US got the Azureth on the 1st, and of course we have the Slides and the Quantum restock, and then we have the Pepper Yeezy 380, and then of course we have the Azriel Yeezy 350. So this month there are a lot of Yeezys dropping, so we're gonna focus on the two upcoming ones tomorrow and of course on Saturday. So first up, let's talk about those slides. We have the Soot and the Core colorway. They're both going to be dropping on the 4th of September. They retail for £45 or $55 if you're out in the US. Now what's strange is that along with these two colorways, they also brought out the Bone restock. There was supposed to be the Bone colorway of the slide that was going to release alongside this Soot and Core colorway. However, that's kind of been pulled down from Adidas's website, so I don't know whether that's cancelled. I'm pretty sure I've heard that it is cancelled, so we don't need to expect the Bone restock, but I thought it's pretty weird that they put it up in the first place. Yeezy Slides are going pretty crazy. People really want them. Resale is pretty high, especially for a literally one piece of material slide, kind of foam piece of material slide. So they are pretty popular, and I do expect these to be flying and relatively hard to get. Again, I'm not too sure about stock or how many pairs that they actually made. I don't know. We have had quite a few pairs of slides. We've had the Earth Brown colorway, we've had the Bone colorway, the Resin colorway, and of course the Desert Sand colorway. So now we're getting two more colorways, and the Soot colorway is a darker brown, but it's still a brown, and the Core colorway is like a mix between the Earth Brown and the Soot. It kind of falls in the middle of those two colors. These are going to be releasing through a splash page, and that goes for the US and the UK. So right now you can see them loaded up onto Adidas and Yeezy website. Here in the UK, 7 AM is the time, and out in the US, you can look out for them at 10 AM. Now, depending on your location, what you want to do is go straight to the Adidas website and just make sure that your time is set and you know when these are going to release. Again, depending on what region you're in, it's going to differ by a couple hours. Out in the US, they're also going to be dropping on Yeezy Supply. And of course, we have a ton of raffles that are going to be up right now for the Yeezy Slides. So make sure you go and put in the work if you're trying to get these pairs of slides. Do not rely on Yeezy Supply or Adidas. Make sure you're actually going and just doing everything you can, because that's the safest way to go about it. Now, of course, I'll try and drop down as many different raffles as I can find down in the description, so you can have a look through that and make sure you have your entries all set up. Again, this video is dropping on the 3rd, so you want to make sure you get them in as quick as possible. These two colors are actually pretty cool. I definitely want to try and get the Soot colorway, because I feel like that Core colorway is just a little bit too similar to the Earth Brown. Now, the very next day on September the 5th, which is a Saturday, we have the Yeezy Quantum in the Lifestyle variant, which of course is the OG colorway. That's going to be restocking. Now, a bunch of raffles went out or just were listed up on the various websites this morning, so make sure you get these raffles in ASAP. Now, here in the UK, and I believe every other region other than the US, this is going to be a splash page as well. So as far as I'm aware, there's no Adidas app raffle for the Yeezy Quantum. Now, I know for a fact these are going to be releasing through the Confirmed app out in the US. So if you are specifically just in the US, make sure you download the Confirmed app if you haven't already, and you enter for these through the Confirmed app. So the slides, they're going to be a splash page. The Yeezy Quantums, they're going to be the Confirmed app in the US and then a splash page everywhere else. The Yeezy Quantum retails for £220 here in the UK, and of course $250 out in the US. Now these are going to be dropping on Yeezy Supply as well, and of course a whole bunch of raffles. So make sure again you check the description below, because I will be dropping as many raffles as I can find for these sneakers down below. Now when it comes to a splash page, you just want to remember to go easy on the Chrome users. Now this is just my personal opinion. I know a lot of people say I'm gonna run 10 different Chrome users and I hit every single time, I'm good. However, for me personally, I've been banned so many times through having too many Chrome users. So what I'm gonna do is literally have like 2 pages up and just cross my fingers. So I'm just gonna have my laptop running, I'm gonna have my mobile phone, and that's just how I'm gonna do it. Probably about 2 pages, 3 pages on the laptop, and just 1 on my mobile. I'm personally extremely excited for both of these releases because I really want the Yeezy Quantum in this OG colorway. I have the barium colorway right here and I love it. I love the silhouette. However, I definitely prefer that OG colorway. I also had a pair of slides in the bone colorway, but I gave it away here on the channel, so I don't have them anymore, and I'm definitely looking to try and grab. I mean, I'm good with either the Soot or the core. I'm happy to go with either. Personally, I would expect both of these to be pretty tough to get because they're both extremely popular silhouettes. Everybody loves slides, especially because the barrier to entry is only £45 or $55, and a lot of people love the original colorway of course, the Yeezy Quantum. This was an extremely anticipated sneaker model, and of course the way that they released it, so limited in the beginning, everybody's gonna try and grab it. So I just keep that in the back of the mind when you're going for this pair. Don't sleep, don't relax, don't think that there's going to be an easy shot at this just because they're restocking the Quantums. But that pretty much wraps it up for the video. Let me know if I've missed anything out, or if you have any more questions specifically maybe about Chrome users or anything like that, drop it down in the comment section below. I want to wish you guys good luck this weekend, both Friday and Saturday. If you're going for both of them, good luck to you. Throw some luck my way down in the comment section. But of course, thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I'll catch you in the next video, but until then.